안녕하세요, Nami입니다. Hi, it's Nami. It's been a long time since Michael and I went on a date, so today we're going on a spring break date, March break date. In Canada, we call it March break. And I'm just going to be getting ready. I did have a little bit of eyeshadow on this eye because I was helping my friend with like a 2 shadow eyeshadow tutorial. But I'm super excited because we're going on like a shopping date, which we haven't done, I think, since like pre-COVID. Usually when we go on dates, these days I'm not really dressed. I just wear like what I'm wearing in the home, and I usually don't wear any makeup. So this time I thought, because we didn't do anything for Valentine's Day, it'd be nice to kind of dress up a bit for our date. Thank you so much for letting me know how you've been really liking my hair ever since I got back to black. It's actually the first time in 3 years that I'm back to my natural hair color, and 5 years if you want to count my long hair, because the last time I had my hair black, it was short, like this short. I think it being black has really contributed to my hair looking a lot healthier and shinier. But I also have this secret glaze gloss, literally called Glaze Super Gloss. And even with my black hair, this is my before and after. This is a semi-permanent coloring conditioner gloss. It lasts up to 10 washes and it gives a really natural, vibrant hue to your natural hair color. It also has mirror glaze shine and amazing softness to your hair. Oh my gosh, do you see this? What? They have a whole range of natural colors like these, and they also have a clear as well if you wanted to add gloss on top of a fashion color, or if you just have natural color, you don't want to add pigment. They have the sheer glow as well. I used luminous licorice to darken up my black hair, and I love how natural it looks, but also how glossy it makes my hair. It makes it look super healthy, and it also feels healthier as well. Even when it's wet, it doesn't feel as noodly. You can grab a gloss in sheer glow or in your natural hair color as well for 10% off when you subscribe to the Glaze Super Gloss subscription. I also have a discount code for 20% off in the description as well. There is a complete money back guarantee, so if you don't like your result, Glaze will actually send you a refund. I'm gonna create some natural waves with a hair waver, and I'm actually gonna do it more of like a cascading effect. So I'm gonna go in a diagonal section and just go kind of downwards like this. I took a pretty big chunk because I don't want it to be too much, just a bit of a wave. And I'm gonna use 2 white pins to just stylize right above my ear. Oh, cute! I'm going to do my makeup now. I'm gonna start with skin. Just apply my silk serum made from amino acids, just smooth out my pores. While that's setting, I'm gonna apply my primer. Just to update you guys as well, we did decide to renew the lease here because we had some problems with like the lead law that was in the place that we're moving to, and we didn't actually know about the lead poisoning, so we had to cancel our previous location, like the house that we were moving to. Everything was signed, but we didn't want to like risk the kids' health and our health, and the lead poisoning would just get worse from the condition that it was in. So I'm gonna apply my eyelid tape to my right side. But I think maybe it turned out for the better because it helps us go into like more of a saving mode so that we can continue to work and save more for when we are continuing to look and scout for a new place. I'm not gonna go too heavy. I'm just using a CC cream. This is actually a tinted moisturizer, but I find that the tint is quite pigmented, so I really like that. I can use a little bit of this, but it just makes my skin look much better. I have been keeping strong with my fiber and protein based diet. I made a video about the fiber diet, but some of the quick benefits are decreased hunger pains and appetite, better bowel movements as well. And I actually lost 15 pounds. So I was at 140 and now I'm at 125 because I'm not as hungry anymore. I'll link one of my favorite nutritionists on TikTok down under the description. Just do a light contour on my nose. I'm actually using a powder foundation to just add a little bit more coverage. Ta-da! Oh my. Blush and blushing highlight. I'm gonna apply a bit of this to the tip of my nose as well, horizontally. I'm gonna use the Naked Cyber palette and gonna go for, yeah, something natural, maybe something pinky. Ooh, I haven't used this one yet. Let's do this on the lid. It's kind of like a corally shade. Ooh, cute. Shimmery glitter champagne highlight. Gonna throw it right in the inner corner. This just brightens up the eye. Yeah, there we go. 진짜 예쁜 거 아니야? 와! 키라키라스르. I'm actually gonna apply this highlight on the bridge of my nose as well. Let's go right underneath. I'm gonna take my contour shade again so the colors on my face look coherent. On the outer third, under the 애교살, I'm using Fill and Fluff for both my brow, using the brush part to brush this, and a smoky liner. I saw this hack on TikTok. I thought it was so smart because it comes with the brush that you just blend out the smoky liner. And I'm actually gonna take this under the outer corner as well, into the center of the lower lash line. I was thinking of doing lashes, but I actually like this look like without the lashes. So let's do the lips instead. Just going in with a red on the inside. Blot that to oblivion. It's filled my whole lip area, but the middle is where it is the darkest. I'm gonna use two lip liners. BT21 Nude for our Cupid's bow, just fill out the top. And then I'm gonna use a darker shade, kind of like a dark red, for my corners to create a smile line. Lifts up the face. And then just line my bottom as well. 이쁘다. I'm also going to add a gloss to the lip combo. And it is the lightest shade gloss that I have. Plus it has a plumping effect. But I'm only gonna apply it to the center of the lip and the very top to give the juicy lip effect. 화장 거의 다 했습니다. 거의. 2 more steps. My setting spray, like a lot, dry it. Like your face should be wet. I saw this hack on TikTok as well and I've been using it ever since. It actually works really well. I'm gonna wear brown contacts. I always feel like I don't look good with brown contacts. This one comes in like a tuna can, it's so cute. Urgh! These are one-day contacts from Fancy. I feel like brown is such a color, like you either love it or hate it, and I'm trying to love it. But before I put that in, I'm actually gonna put my powder right around my pore area. The setting spray actually helps the powder to sit like flawlessly on your pores, like no texture, zero texture. Oh my gosh, like blur magic. Oh, tweezers and applicator. Gonna plop this on. Ooh, the brown matches with my eyelid shade today. Oh, 진짜 예쁘다. Wow. Wow, I never liked brown lenses, but oh my gosh, hold on, let me just. Oh my gosh, I just lost all the footage of me getting dressed, but I had Instagram fam help me with my outfit choices, and the winner was this, ta-da, right here, this sweater vest look. And then the second runner-up was 80 votes. But this is my outfit. I have a couple layers. I switched out the short sleeve for a long sleeve, but same vibes. And let's go.